Hello, today is November 26th, which is Cyber Monday. My name is John, and I will be commentating your overnight parts from Japan Black Friday Cyber Monday sales. Today I want to bring up that we are going to do a lot of Subaru parts. We happen to have a lot of Subaru and Mitsubishi. So let's jump right into the sales, because this is not going to be a long video. First, go to our website and click the promotions category. From there, you will see all of our daily and ongoing promotions. If you click Black Friday deals, that'll bring you to this new category we whipped up just for this event. And you can see all of our parts we have on special. Right now, we're going to get right into our first part, which are these Kelford Cams. These are like a stage 2 Subaru EJ205. So this is your 2002 to 2005 Subaru Impreza with the dual overhead cam turbo engine. We do have these right in stock, and they are marked down by more than half, $429. We are very eager to move this inventory. They have been opened and on display before. I will have better pictures of the camshafts in the window to my left. Here is Kelford's webpage about the 199-C cams. That's the part number. If you want any of the specs, everything is located right here. I'll probably be copying and pasting this to our product page here. Anyways, that is our first Black Friday product that we wanted to show as a doorbuster because the price is marked down so much. Anywho, more products to come.
All right, our second doorbuster sale of the day is, again, Subaru EJ205 or EJ257 H-beam connecting rods from Manley Performance. We have a couple extra of these on the shelf that we'd like to get rid of for the holiday season. Brand new in box. These are not open box specials. These are literally just a overstock special. So brand new, never installed. Normally they run in the $500 range. We have them marked down to $349.95. So call today. We only have 2 available. And this is while supplies last. We have the specs here on the page. It is this part number 14024-4. It is not a ARP bolt upgrade. It is the the ARP 2000 bolts. Okay. Let's go to Manley Performance's website to get a quick overview. If you need any extra information on Manley Connecting Rods, their website has all the information you'll need. Anywho, let's go on to our next doorbuster sale, which happens to be pistons for these from Mahle. So let's get right into those. All right, we are ready for our next special for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. We have a piston set for EJ205 Subaru. These are standard bore for the 2-liter, which is a 02 to 05 Subaru. We have the connecting rods on the previous deal, and we have the camshafts on the first Black Friday special. All of these specials are the same 02 to 05 Subaru Impreza. If you want to give us a call, we'll be happy to give you a package deal. Which brings me up to my next point. We have 10% off all December engine kits. And if you wanted me to quote you a custom engine kit with these parts, I'd be happy to do so. For now, if you want to see quick pricing on engine kits, hop on over to category, engine kits, and I have the complete engine kit already done for this EJ205 to get started. The other parts and all these other kits, I am slowly but surely adding the pricing. Here's a quick demo. You can see they're $18.29. You can pick your piston oversize, and then we have a complete parts list right here. If you would like to see all these parts in the cart, we've done that for you, and you can see the actual retail price at the bottom of the page, which would be $19.69 and change if you were to add all these to cart. If you want to nitpick and look at every individual parts, let's say you wanted to see our Subaru OEM case, bolt, and oil ring kit. You could go here and see what parts come in this kit. It's included in the complete kit and the other ones, and that way you can see exactly what's coming with the kit. Those are also available on the year, make, and model section now here on our #1 slot. So if you were to click here, I have all the Subarus already priced out. This is going to be one of our #1 platforms we support. So anyways, let's move on to our next promotion for Black Friday. Alright, let's get into some more Black Friday deals. This one I wanted to bring up specifically to add to our Subaru list. This is for our 2nd and 3rd gen Subaru Legacy. This is a old stock Greddy original front strut tower bar. We have this still in package. Had it in inventory pretty much since our startup, and it's been collecting dust. So what a great product to add to our overstock stuff today for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Anyways, you can read a bunch about it here, and let's go back to our promotion page. That'll pretty much wrap it up for today. I'm going to be doing DSM and Mitsubishi's tomorrow as far as the video is concerned. All of our sales are good until sold, at least, or let's say good until New Year's. I'll be doing something different as far as what's up here for on sale after New Year's. But for now, we want to do a big liquidation on all these parts that we have listed. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 269-282-8292. I'm here every day, 10 o'clock, 10:30 till 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So if you need any help with a engine quote, parts list, things of that matter, I'll be able to help put that together, along with billing once we have authorization of the once we have availability of the part. So that's kind of my job for now during Black Friday, is kind of run the sales department and put this video on. So I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a little hokey being our first Black Friday video and kind of our first shopping style video. So we're going to see how this goes, and I'm going to probably make more if this edit's easy. But subscribe and watch our development as we keep adding to this overnight parts from Japan project. It's been going well, and we've been gaining a lot of new customers, and it's been a lot of fun. So anyways, talk soon. This is John, the parts guru, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.